here I'm at the Wyeth Falls. Can you see? Very beautiful, very far. It took me 50 years to reach here, but we reach here all the way from Mobile. Left out what time this morning? Maybe 8 o'clock. And now it's, if you can see the time, 15 minutes after 12. So it's a very, very long time. And the taxi man by everybody came out the money out of my pocket, but it's good. This is me. You're jamming with Jamie. We're at Wyeth Falls in St. Elizabeth. Today's a very rough day, guys. A very rough day. I mean, it's still beautiful, right there. But I mean, you can't get in the water because literally it is dirty, right? Look at that. 1,000. Can't believe this is a waterfall, guys. It's just dark brown and muddy. Listen, everything I thought about water. I broke my neck. So you can see me, yes, as you can see, it is very dirty. I mean, the water, very, very, very dirty, but it's still beautiful. As you can see, I don't know if it's a focus for me in the background, but the water is very dirty. I went in, I had to come out very fast. But I mean, it's still a heavenly beautiful on the map, zipline stuff. Yeah, zipline and stuff, so come check it out. Well, apart from getting a scar right there in that moment, I almost fell. Yes, Wyeth is definitely a risky business. As you can't see where you're going, you have to feel to, of course, make a pathway through the water. It's very rocky. Trust me, I'm gonna kick wally past stone. It's what I'm gonna mash up, but it's definitely worth it. Wyeth is quite beautiful. I mean, you can't really go too far. There are only like 3 openings. The waterfall is massive, so you can't really utilize most of it. But if you look apart the way you can, of course you will enjoy. If you're a lover of nature, definitely you will enjoy Wyeth Falls, as it is surrounded by a lot of plants, trees, birds, and a lot of small animals to see. So definitely check out the Wyeth Falls if you are into nature and exotic scenery. So we're going up to the big one at Wyeth Falls, and it's a workout, trust me, but it's definitely worth it. Just look at that. I mean, it is quite majestic, quite beautiful. I mean, Wyeth will not disappoint if you're into taking pictures or making quick videos. I mean, it's definitely worth the trip. Just look at that, quite beautiful. Even though the only setback to Wyeth is that the water isn't clear as most of our waterfalls are in the country, but I mean, Wyeth is definitely worth it. So definitely check it out in St. Elizabeth. Once again, you are jamming with Jamie 876. Remember to like, share, and subscribe.